Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
The mouse is dash the bed, above, next to, on. The answer is next to. The mouse is next to the bed. The book is dash the chair, under, in, near. The answer is under. The book is under the chair. The cat is dash the bench, in, under, on. The answer is on. The cat is on the bench. The mouse is dash the bed, next to, near, on. The answer is near. The mouse is near the bed. The ball is dash the book, between, near, on. The answer is between. The ball is between the books. The ball is dash the car, between, in front of, on. The answer is in front of. The ball is in front of the car. The bag is dash the box, between, behind, in. The answer is behind. The bag is behind the box. The sun is dash the flower, above, on, below. The answer is above. The sun is above the flowers. The monkey is dash the tree, in front of, near, next to. The answer is next to. The monkey is next to the tree.